Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to add animated elements in Canva. So here I have my presentations project in Canva, and to add animated elements, you just simply click on the elements and animate them. For example, to animate this photo, just click on the photo and look for the animate on the editing options below here. So I'm going to scroll for a little bit to find animate. Alright, and then click on animate, and then you can choose the perfect animations for this photo. So for example, I'm going to choose this. So wait, I'm going to choose this photo zoom, and then you can apply the elements to another elements by clicking on it one by one and then apply the same animation or different animation. And you can also animate another element besides from the photo, like this one, like this one. You can also animate this using the same method. Just click on it and then look for animate and click on animate, and then you can choose the animation to apply to this element. And you can also apply this to another element in your project. You can also animate the text. The animation will be different than the another elements, so you can choose one by one. And after you're done, you can preview the animation like this. Alright, so that's how you add animations to certain elements on Canva. It's so easy and you can just do it in your iPhone, guys. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in other tutorial videos from this channel.